This is question 54 from the GATE 2020 AA paper. It is an 8085 microprocessor question, and it asks us if the data in memory locations 2001 and 2002 are accessed by the following program, and these are the data stored there. What will be in memory location 2003H at the end of this program in base 10 form? Underneath the question, you will find the title of the NPTEL course or video relevant to this topic. So let us proceed with solving this problem. The idea is that the 8085 microprocessor accesses these two memory locations, and each contains the following 6-bit hexadecimal numbers, and this is the program that does the accessing, and we need to know at the end of this program what is contained in the memory location 2003 hexadecimal, and of course the answer is required in base 10 form. So the first instruction is LXI, which is load the data immediately from the following HL registers from the memory locations into the HL registers the following data. Load immediately into HL the following data. So this loads HS20H and LS01H, right? And then we do move immediate, that is we move into the A register the data 21H immediately. So right now the H register, L register and A register have the following data. This has 20H, this has 01H and this has 21H, right? So INX, this is to increment the HL register with the L corresponding to the lower byte and H corresponding to the upper byte. So the HL which contained 2001 becomes plus 01H, that is what INX does, to become 2002H. So this is HL. So let's update the states of our registers. And moving on, now add M. So add instruction adds the register to the accumulator and stores the data in the accumulator. And M, of course, refers to the memory location pointed to by the HL register. Now, the HL register, which has 2002, points to the memory location 2002, and M is whatever data is stored over there. Now, the memory location M is pointed to as 2002, and its data from the problem 2002 contains B1H. That's what the problem says. So this is B1H, right? So M is pointed to by HL containing, so therefore M contains B1H because HL is 2002. So A is 21H and M is B1H. So now we do A equal to A plus M. So A equal to 21 plus B1H, which if you do the arithmetic, it's actually fairly straightforward to do the hexadecimal arithmetic on this, you will get D2H. So again, let's update the states of our registers. A is D2H. And the next instruction is INXH. Similarly, we have to do plus 01H. That is what INXH does. To the HL registers, we need to do plus. Technically, we will be incrementing the pair of registers HL. So you have to do plus 0001. So this gets, of course, 20H, 03H, right? We're just moving on to so the purpose of this, of course, is to move the pointer M to the next memory location as given by the problem, right? So the problem is asking us what data is stored in 2003H. So we expect that we will now move the data into 2003, and in fact that is the next instruction, to move the accumulator data, which is D2, right? D2H is to be moved from A to M. This is the destination and this is the source, right? So it moves A into M. M is the memory location 2003H because that is what is pointed by HL. And so therefore M becomes equal to D2H. You just get this data here, D2H. And of course, halt is the final instruction which halts the program. So at the end of the program, the value stored in the memory location 2003 is D2H, which in base 10 is 210. You would have to do this into 16, this into 1, and then add the two results. You would get 210 in the base 10. So the correct answer is, of course, 210.